Discover the top 5 best robot vacuum in 2024. I've done extensive research and reviewed countless models to bring you this list. Check the link in the description for more details. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Roborock S8 Max V Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, acting as both a powerful vacuum and an efficient mop. In our busy lives, having a smart cleaning solution like this is essential for maintaining a spotless home. Let's start with the standout feature, the all-in-one docking station. This hub is designed to maximize your cleaning convenience. Automatic emptying and cleaning. With automatic dirt disposal, the S8 Max V Ultra keeps itself ready for action without you lifting a finger. Hot water mop washing and drying. And don't worry about a dirty mop. The dock ensures it's always clean and dry, using hot water washing after each use. Intelligent dirt detection. Thanks to intelligent dirt detection, this robot adjusts its cleaning power based on what it finds, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The auto refill and detergent dispensing features mean you can set it and forget it. Plus, fast charging keeps it powered up and ready to go. Its dual roller design minimizes hair tangles, perfect for pet owners. The concealed scrapers enhance hair removal, making cleanup a breeze. Thanks to its FlexiArm side brush, the S8 Max V Ultra reaches those tricky corners, while the liftable edge mop ensures no area is missed. The Viberize 3.0 sonic mopping system elevates mopping with high-speed scrubbing at 4,000 scrubs per minute. It lifts during carpet cleaning, allowing for simultaneous vacuuming and mopping without leaving carpets damp. With Reactive AI 2.0 and real-time mapping, the S8 Max V Ultra expertly navigates obstacles, adapting its path for maximum efficiency. And let's not forget the built-in voice assistant. Just say, "Hello, Rocky," and you can start cleaning or adjust settings with simple voice commands, no internet needed. Pet owners will love the thoughtful features, like video call functionality to check on your furry friends during cleanings, and the pet locator feature to help find them around the house. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus Robot Vacuum. iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. This cutting-edge device revolutionizes the way we clean, combining vacuuming and mopping functions in one seamless package. As homes integrate more smart technology, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus is quickly becoming an essential tool for effortless floor maintenance. Let's dive into its standout features. First up, the Clean Base Autofill Dock. This innovative system automatically empties the robot's debris bin, allowing for up to 60 days of hands-free operation. But that's not all. The dock also refills the water tank for mopping, providing up to 30 days of uninterrupted cleaning. Next, we have its multifunctional cleaning capabilities. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus is equipped with automatic carpet boost, enhancing suction on carpets to ensure effective dirt removal. Whether you have hard floors or plush carpets, this robot is ready to tackle it all. The Auto Retract mopping system intelligently knows when to mop and when to avoid carpets, thanks to the Dry Rug Intelligence feature. This ensures your carpets stay dry and protected while the floors get a thorough clean. Now let's talk performance. With customizable suction levels that boost power by up to 100%, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus is built for deep cleaning. Its Smart Scrub technology enhances the mopping experience, leaving your floors spotless. It's also equipped with Dirt Detective Intelligence, which prioritizes areas with concentrated dirt, adjusting its settings based on room conditions for optimal performance. The robust 4-stage cleaning system includes dual multi-surface rubber brushes and an edge sweeping brush, ensuring comprehensive dirt pickup in every nook and cranny. User experience is key. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus operates hands-free, allowing you to set it and forget it. This convenience is perfect for busy households. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can enjoy software updates. Number 3. iRobot Roomba J7 Wi-Fi Connected Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba J7 7150, the robotic vacuum that's changing the game for home cleaning. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a clean home can be a challenge. That's where the Roomba J7 shines, providing a seamless cleaning experience packed with innovative features. Let's explore its standout features. First up, Imprint Smart Mapping. This technology allows the Roomba J7 to create a detailed map of your home, navigating with precision. You can easily set cleaning schedules and choose specific rooms, putting you in control of your cleaning routine. Plus, it stores multiple maps for multi-level homes, ensuring thorough cleaning no matter where you are. Next, obstacle avoidance. With advanced sensors, the Roomba J7 effortlessly maneuvers around furniture and even identifies potential hazards like pet waste and cords. And don't worry about stairs cliff detection sensors, keep it safe from falls. Customization is key. Set keep out zones to protect areas you want the vacuum to avoid, or designate clean zones for those high traffic areas needing extra attention. The Roomba J7 also integrates seamlessly with smart home devices, including Alexa. With simple voice commands, you can start or schedule cleaning without lifting a finger. Performance-wise, the J7 excels on both carpets and hard floors. It lifts dirt and debris effectively, and its design is particularly efficient for pet hair collection. Users rave about its ability to keep homes clean, especially those with furry friends. In summary, the iRobot Roomba J7 7150 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a fantastic choice for modern households. If you're in the market for a robotic vacuum, the Roomba J7 offers a perfect blend of performance, customization, and convenience. Number 4. Dream X40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum. The Dream X40 Ultra, a powerful robotic vacuum that combines advanced features with user-friendly design. With impressive suction power, versatile mop functionality, and smart technology, the Dream X40 Ultra stands out in the market. Let's talk about design. The Dream X40 Ultra boasts a modern aesthetic with compact dimensions that fit seamlessly into any home. Built with high-quality materials, it's durable and made to last. Its user-friendly interface ensures anyone can operate it with ease, making cleaning hassle-free. Key features. First up is its incredible suction power, 12,000 PA. This strength is a game-changer for pet owners and households dealing with heavy dirt. The innovative air duct design enhances airflow efficiency, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Mopping functionality. The mopping feature is equally impressive. With a removable and liftable mop, it intelligently avoids moisture on carpets while automatically lifting the mop to protect your rugs. Advanced cleaning technologies. The Dream X40 Ultra features advanced navigation technology with 3D structured light and a built-in camera, allowing for precise mapping of your home. Customize cleaning modes and pet zones through the app, compatible with 2.4G Wi-Fi only. With a robust 6,400 mAh battery, the X40 Ultra efficiently docks and recharges automatically. It also offers energy-saving features, allowing you to schedule cleaning during off-peak hours. Setup is a breeze, and the app functionality is intuitive. Customers rave about its performance and ease of use, highlighting how it transforms their cleaning routines. Number 5. Dream L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Dream L20 Ultra, the innovative robot vacuum and mop that's transforming how we tackle household chores. As automation becomes an essential part of our lives, this smart device promises to bring unparalleled convenience and efficiency right to your home. First up, the Mop Extend technology. This unique feature allows the L20 Ultra to reach under furniture and into tight spaces, ensuring every corner gets the attention it deserves. No more missed spots, just a spotless home. Next, let's talk about the fully automatic base station. After each cleaning session, the L20 Ultra returns to its base to automatically empty its dustbin, saving you time and hassle. Plus, it cleans and dries the mop pads, so they're always ready for the next round. Equipped with the Vormax suction system, this robot delivers an impressive 7,000 PA of suction power. It effortlessly lifts dirt and debris from all types of surfaces. And with its liftable rubber brush, tangled hair is a thing of the past. Thanks to Pathfinder Smart Navigation, the L20 Ultra maps and cleans your home with precision. Its 3D structured light obstacle avoidance system allows it to detect and avoid up to 55 different objects, ensuring a smooth cleaning experience. Worried about wet carpets? The L20 Ultra has you covered. With ultrasonic carpet detection, it automatically removes its mop pads when it encounters carpet, keeping your textiles dry and pristine. Setup is a breeze, and the Dream L20 Ultra can be controlled via a smartphone app, giving you flexibility in scheduling cleanings. Users rave about its effectiveness, often comparing its superior features to other models on the market. In conclusion, the Dream L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is more than just a cleaning device. It's a smart solution for modern living. With its advanced technology and user-friendly features, it promises to simplify your cleaning routine, leaving you with more time to enjoy life. Elevate your home cleaning experience with the Dream L20 Ultra.